I just picked up one of these Camworld 4K mini body cameras from Amazon, and the price was $69. Let's open up the box. Here it is, just arrived from Amazon. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Box is open. It says AC27 on the box. It's wrapped in plastic. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's the marking on the box. AC27 thumb camera. Okay, first thing we come upon is some directions. Let's see what we got here. Okay, there's a QR code. This particular QR code is to download the app for the camera onto your tablet or your phone. There's another QR code here. There's video instructions. So here's the user manual. Got basic information on here. Okay, let's take the camera out. Let's see what we have. The camera is wrapped and protected. Pretty small. I don't know if you can tell how small that is, but there's my thumb up against it. It is really small. Well, let's turn it on. I guess to turn it on, we press this button here, long press. Gives us a welcome. Camera is on. Okay, since the directions are so cryptic, I made an AC27 cheat sheet. So looking at it from the side, you got the M, you got the wireless, and then from the front view you got the lens, and then you got the little lightning bolt and the on-off OK. So to turn this thing on, you basically long press the lightning on the front, and to turn off you long press the lightning on the front. And we can try that here. So here's the lightning on the front. Yeah, we're going to long press that, and there it is. It turns on. Let's let it boot up. It's booted up. Now to turn it off, you long press the lightning bolt on the front again. Here we'll long press it, and that turns it off. Okay, so to get to the menu, first you turn it on, you long press the lightning on the front, long press M, quick press M to advance selection, quick press Wi-Fi to decrement selection, and quick press the lightning on the front to select the function. Let's try that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is long press the lightning bolt. It turns on. Long press M, and there's the system settings. Now if we quick press M, we can advance through these. And if we hit this Wi-Fi on the bottom, we can go back one. So this one advances it. This one brings it back. And we'll go to time and date, and then if you quick press the lightning, so you can actually select that, and then you can actually change the date or date and time, whatever you want. So we've got 4/20/26, 5:09 p.m. and that's about the current time. I'll check that against my phone later. And then we'll long press the lightning bolt and go ahead and shut it off here. Okay, to select playback, video, record, or photo, first thing we need to do is turn it on, so we'll long press the lightning bolt on the front. Turns it on. Once it's on, we quick press M. And then we can keep selecting which one we want. That's playback, that's menu, that's time lapse, photo shoot, and I'm going to leave it on video. That's the one I use. And we're going to go ahead, if we quick press that, we can actually video record, but I'm going to long press it and turn it off. Oop. This is the web address to find the instructions and the download for the app. In the video, there's a QR code, and that allows you to download the app onto your phone or your tablet. I put it on a tablet, and I was able to connect easily using these instructions, so it does work. The first thing you need to do is a long press on the lightning bolt button on the front of the camera to turn it on. Once the camera is booted up, you want to do a long press on the Wi-Fi button to turn on the camera's Wi-Fi. That is what you're going to see on your camera once the Wi-Fi is enabled. On your phone or on your tablet, when you go to settings, you're going to see AC27/4EA149. That is this camera. In the phone or the tablet settings, you want to find that, and you want to enter the Wi-Fi default password, which is 123456778. You want to select Add Camera on the first page, the home page. Looks like that. With this app, you need to allow all permissions, otherwise it won't work properly. Once you do that, the camera will come up on your tablet or your phone. I used it. I was able to change the orientation and use the settings on it, and I actually made a quick recording here. Okay, this picture's taken in a not too bright garage, but this is using the AC27 after we've gone through the setup, and this still has the lens protector on it because I plan on putting a clear cover on it. Okay, thanks for watching, and I hope that this helps.